Growing your team? You don't have to give everyone full access to your entire FreshBooks account. You can add teammates with specific, controlled permissions. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. This is essential for security and efficiency. Your bookkeeper needs different access than your project manager, who needs different access than a contractor. First, go to your account settings and find the Team section. Click Invite a Teammate. You'll enter their email address and then be presented with a list of permission levels. You can assign roles like admin, employee, or contractor, each with predefined access. Or, you can create a custom role with very granular control over what they can see and edit. And that leads to my crucial pro tip: use the principle of least privilege. Only grant the absolute minimum permissions someone needs to do their job. A contractor who just logs time doesn't need to see your financial reports or client lists. So, just like that, you can safely scale your team within FreshBooks, collaborating without compromising security. What's the first role you'd add to your FreshBooks team? Let me know down in the comments, and subscribe for more clear-cut guides like this one. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you in the next video.